What's up, people? How are you today? So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can stake some cake and make money passively. Basically, for those of you who don't know about that, what staking means, I don't want to go into further details, but you can definitely search on Google or on YouTube to get a more in-depth, approach about how the way it works. And the thing is, basically look at it like this. It's not interest, okay? But you take in some cake, right? You're gonna stake it. It's like you're taking some money, you leave it to the bank. Over time, they're gonna give you back the money, right? Of course, with interest, but staking is not interest at all, okay? But the only advantage that you have in here is that you see when you have a bank, you always, you give them the money, they lend it, they do whatever they want with it, they make money out of it, then they give you a little bit of it, like a very, very small fraction. But when we have crypto, we don't have banks. We don't have like middleman, just like big middleman, just like banks, and or they're gonna be taking a good chunk, a big chunk of these transactions, of these interest, if you want to give you, if you want like 1 or 2%, something. So what I'm going to be showing you here is how pretty much you're going to bank way bigger than what any bank could give you. So basically what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you the whole process if you want to stake some cake. Okay, let's start. First, what you need to do, let me open that. First, you sign up for Binance, okay? You sign up for Binance. This is the very first one. For those of you who don't have a Binance account, you can sign up. I'm gonna be leaving my affiliate link down below in the description. You can just sign up for it. Basically, it's gonna be pretty easy. You just click on register and fill out the information, create an account, and then put your email or put your mobile, and create an account. Basically, right afterwards, you will have to confirm your account by providing them with your ID or driver license, I believe. Then the moment you get accepted or approved, it's gonna be taking like less than 5 minutes on average. Okay, then I need you to download MetaMask. MetaMask is basically a wallet. That's what we're gonna be connecting with Binance, Smart Chain, so that we can swap some BNB with the cake, so that you can be able to stake some cake inside of PancakeSwap. Okay, so get to download MetaMask extension. We are in the second one, okay, and you sign up for MetaMask. Okay, the moment you have that, okay, you download it. Okay, that's basically you have an extension for Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, whatever it is, that whatever browser that you're working with. So, okay, go for Firefox. It's actually I'm on Firefox, so that's why. Okay, you install it. I already have it, so I want you to open the Academy.Binance link. And for those of you who don't know, I'm gonna leave the link down below the description, so that just for the sake of ease and convenience. Then here's the link. Okay, so you're gonna get into this link. All right, the moment you get into this link, what you want to do, you scroll a little bit down, a little bit, go a little bit down, until you get to this place, mainnet. Because again, be careful, guys, you have others like testnet, and so you have two of them, but go for the mainnet. Okay, that's what you should be doing. We're gonna take this information, you come to MetaMask. Normally you're gonna get here to MetaMask. Okay, let me see. Normally you get to this page, okay, and you get Smart Chain. You click on here, it's gonna be like this. Okay, got luck. Sorry. So normally you get here and you go to custom RPC, right? And then what you want to do is go here and take all of this information, you copy it, each one next to its respective field, right? So for example, for the network name, you put Smart Chain, right? And when you get here, you click here, remember, you get to customer RPC, network name, you have all of those inside of here, all right? So this being done, you get this. Again, for some of you, probably on Firefox, you will have to write it manually. Okay, that's not going to take you long, like 1-2 minutes, something like that. You're going to take each and just take a screenshot with your phone, or that's going to be way better, because again, you cannot copy paste it. Probably it does work on Google Chrome, but on Firefox, like whenever you want to open up, so let's say you open up this page right here, right? You say the customer RPC, and whenever you want to copy this, look what's going to happen. This pop-up page is going to disappear. Look, you see that? And it's all done. And again, you're going to have to repeat everything from scratch, even if you have some information over there. So just make sure you get a picture, and you input the information there manually. Okay. So then, this being said, the moment you have this, you're gonna have the smart chain. Okay, just wanna point out something. Like, the moment you're done with it, make sure that the name is nothing whenever you're gonna input the information. For example, here, right? You're gonna scroll down, down to the bottom. Then you're gonna have to input save. Make sure you click on save, right? Okay, the moment you're done with that, make super sure that you have that smart chain name, because again, that's what we want. We don't want Ethereum mainnet. No, we want smart chain. Make sure that it is over there. You click on it, right? And it's gonna appear in here. And okay, guys. Okay, smart chain. That shows that I have 0 BNB. All right. Okay. This being done, you go now. I want you, remember, I told you to sign up for Binance. Now you go to Binance, you click here. I'm going to be logging in. All right. Now you're here. Okay. That's when you are inside your account. Just right after you get approved, you are on your Binance account. Okay, you click on wallet, then you click on fiat and spot. Okay. Okay, so here we get to buy some BNB, right? You might ask, how do I do it? So yeah, the way you do it is you click here. Okay, so you can see here I have very few BNB. Yeah, I sold my BNBs a few times ago, and I still have a few cents left of it. What you do, you wanna buy them, right? You wanna buy them. Okay, so the BNB, the price of the BNB is okay. Then you put how much you wanna buy. The minimum is $15, right? The minimum is $15. You can buy 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 10,000. It's up to you. Okay, guys. The moment you're done, you enter your payment information. Then you confirm the order. Then you're gonna have some BNBs. Now, let's say you have some BNB. Okay, you get back to your wallet, to your overview. So you guys, if you don't find the BNB here, just for the sake of convenience, you just click BNB on here, and then you're gonna have that. What you want to do is you see here BNB, then you click on withdraw. So yeah, here we want this Binance Smart Chain. Okay, I understand. And then here you put on the address. Here is the address. You have it, got it. Remember, you need to have it Smart Chain, right? And you copy this. You just have to click once. Okay, click. All right, then you paste. The moment you paste this, yeah, normally, okay, sorry. Okay, so you just close this, and then what you do, you put on how much BNB you wanna transfer. Okay, so it says that the minimum is 0.02. Normally you should be withdrawing it, right? Okay. 0.005. Okay. 0.02. Okay, it says that please enter an amount no higher than your available balance, because they don't have much BNB now. So basically what you want to do is just get those BNBs, right? And just, yeah, then you click on transfer. Then you're going to have the button so that you can transfer the BNBs. The moment you have that, you're going to wait a little bit, and then you're going to see that you have some BNBs on here, right? When you click on MetaMask, you're going to see that you have 0.2, 0.1, 2, 3, whatever the amount that we transferred. Because here what we're doing, we're taking some BNB and we're going to be transferring it to MetaMask. All right. Now you're going to click on this link. I'm going to leave it down below the description. Don't worry about the link or anything. Again, I'm not affiliate to it or anything like that. I'm just to make it easy on you. So yeah, just I'm going to leave the link down below the description. Okay. So when you get to PancakeSwap, all right, when you get to this link, normally it's going to be here. All right. The moment you see that, what you want to do, you click on pools. Here, click on pools. And then I would always go for this one, right? The manual cake. Okay. You go for the manual cake where that's the easiest one because I don't want to dive into too many of them. I would say that's when you put on some cake and you stick it for cake. Basically, you leave cake, you freeze it, you leave it for a period of time, and then you get paid. You get paid normally, you're paid monthly, but again, you get paid daily for it by cake as well. And again, I just want to say, it's not going to have always the same value. So for example, now if you go to, let's see, okay, so because now cake is at, let me show you, Born market cap. Let's see. All right, there you have it. The PancakeSwap. Yeah, before yesterday was at $15. So today it rose by 7.83% in the last 24 hours. It's worth $16.71 today. But again, the value could drop or increase, right? And you get paid based on the value of the cake. You're not getting paid in USDs or anything like that, but in terms of cakes. If the value goes down, not good for us. But again, if it increases and you get paid, kind of some other cakes because of you staking that cake, you're making good money. You're making good profit. All right. Yeah. So the moment you have that, and again, I would always advise, I truly believe that cake is gonna raise up and up and up. It's just a matter of time. Just give it time and be patient, guys. All right. So now I just wanted to highlight this. Okay, so you get here, then you click on details, and then you unlock your wallet, right? And then you put MetaMask. You see? Put next. And click here. Okay, connect. There we have it. Okay. And then, okay. So now that we connected MetaMask with PancakeSwap, our wallet with PancakeSwap, now we're gonna swap some BNB for the cake. All right. Now we can trade. So basically what we're going to be doing right now, we're going to swap. So what you want to do is, look, it knows that this is my wallet. That means it's been connected with PancakeSwap. All right. What you want to do, you take the BNB. You remember, we needed the BNB for this reason, because you could not swap something else unless you had the BNB, right? Okay, so yeah, if you had ETH, that's another story. But okay, so you get the BNB. Normally you get one or whatever the amount, then you just select it, right? Normally you should be selecting the BNBs. It says that I have 0, right? Because again, we cannot trade the 0.000, so I could not transfer it to MetaMask right now so that I can swap it. Okay, so normally let's say you want to trade 1 BNB, okay? The currency is going to be cake. Remember, it's cake. That's what we're looking for. So 1 BNB is the equivalent of 21.542 cake, right? The moment you have that, what you want to do, that's when you go too far. Basically, that's when you start staking, okay? That's, okay, let me see. Yeah, enable pool. Then you have to do this. Yeah, make sure you always do this. You click on enable. So normally it's gonna be asking you this for the very first time. Fees associated. As you know, I don't have enough BNBs, so I cannot do it. The moment you do it, you're gonna see normally a plus button. You're gonna see a plus button, and then the moment you do it, that's when you put on how many cakes you want to put over there. So look, that's what it says. What you do, if you put 1 day, okay, if you put on, this is the cake for per $1,000, okay. If you put on for 1 day, you're making 0.22% on every single day, right? 7 days, you're making 1.48. 30 days, you're making 6.47. For the whole year, you're making practically the double of your investment plus some some more money. I would say yeah, 114%, almost 115%. So I mean, that's very interesting. And again, for many of you who don't day trade or anything like that, they don't have time for that, just want to hodl your crypto, just leave it over there. And instead of leaving it in a bank or just somewhere else, just leave it there and let it stake for you. And you're gonna be making some good profits. Again, 115%, that's not bad. Particularly if you're making, like, if you're putting on some good um a big amount when it comes to, of cakes, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please smash the like button for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you have any question, want me to talk about anything like that, just leave me a comment down below the description. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.